Okay, for our next question, our next page of the quiz, it says that point A, which is at 7,4, is dilated from the origin by a scale factor of 3. So what we want to do is multiply both of those by 3. We're not going to use 1/3 because we're not mapping back to any original place yet. We're just dilating it. It's not saying anything about dilating back to its original. So we're going to keep using 3. So if the original is 7, 4, then A prime is going to be 7 times 3, which is our scale factor, 4 times 3. And that's going to be 21, 12. And you may have got that on your quiz, but you didn't show me any work, so I have no idea how you got it. Question 2 is completely unrelated to any points or any values in number 1. It's a completely separate question. It says that the triangle ABC, shown on this coordinate plane, is dilated from the origin by a scale factor of 1/2. So what is the location of A prime, B prime, C prime? Okay, this is dilated by 1/2. So what we need to do is we're actually going to multiply by the reciprocal of 1/2 because this is the dilated version. It says it's dilated. Oh, you know what? No, I'm sorry. We're going to dilate it. We're going to find the location of A prime, B prime, C prime. Okay, so we're going to use this scale factor of 1/2. So we need to look at the coordinates for these points. Well, coordinate, and remembering that coordinates come in at x, y. Point A is at 3, 4. Point B is at -7, 2. And point C is at 2, 2. And what we need to do is multiply all of these numbers by 1/2, or conversely, divide it by 2. You'll get the same value. So for A prime, we're going to take 3 times 1/2 and 4 times 1/2. And we're going to get 3/2, which is the same as 1.5, and 4/2, which is the same as 2. For B prime, you're going to take the -7 multiplied by 1/2, and you're going to take 2 and multiply it, or divide it by 2. Mark that out, times 1/2. -7 divided by 2 is -7/2, and 2 times 1/2 is 1. It helps, like I did here, I did this in my head, I should have written it out on paper, but -7/2, you should put that into a mixed number. So 3 goes into 2, or I'm sorry, 2 goes into 7 3 times with 1 left over. It makes it easier to find on the coordinate plane. And then C prime is pretty easy. 2 times 1/2 and 2 times 1/2, which comes out to 2/2 or 1 for both. So then you can plot those on your coordinate plane. A will be at 1.5, which is 1.5 and 2. So it's going to be right here, A prime. C is at 1, and B is going to be at -3.5, 1. So -3.5, 1. B prime. And then you connect your points. And you've dilated by 1/2. And then for question 3, what scale factor would you need to map this triangle A prime, B prime, C prime back to the original? And since you're wanting to move back, you would use the reciprocal of 2, or 1/2, which is 2, because you'd work backwards.